Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you don't have permission to add products in the current region on your iPhone or Android. If you're using TikTok Shop and you're facing this type issue that you don't have permission to add products to the current region, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you have to check your network connection because sometimes these type error helps due to your poor or unstable network connection. So you can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then open your settings app, go for general, and here you have to double check your VPN connection. If you find any connected VPN in your iPhone, so you have to try to disconnect with that because your VPN may affect location based contents. And then you can also try to update your software. If you have any pending software update, try to update that. Then open the App Store, go for search for TikTok, or you can also search for TikTok Shop. And from here, you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software, pending updates for your TikTok app and also for your TikTok Shop app. If you find any pending updates, so you have to try to update your apps. And once updated, your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to try to contact your product service, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.